Good morning, children. In this class, we are going to talk about the Antarctic Adventures, which is your page 42 and page 43 in your general knowledge book. So, basically, we are going to explore the living animals, birds that are there in the Antarctic region. These are some known facts. The first flight to navigate over the South Pole was Richard E. Byrd. So you have to remember this name because it was the first flight to navigate over the South Pole. Next is the name of the scientific station built exactly on the South Pole. So the scientific station exactly on the South Pole is Amundsen Scott Station, and the Vinson Massif is the Ellsworth Mountains is the highest mountain in Antarctica. So which is the highest mountain in Antarctica? The Vinson Massif in the Ellsworth Mountains. And the Bharti is the name of the third Antarctic research station which is commissioned by India. Indian research station over there in Antarctic region. This is Bharti. It became operational in 2012. And the last one is the biggest glacier in the world is Lambert-Fisher Glacier, which is again in Antarctica. Now coming to the true and false, seals are found in both the Arctic and the Antarctic region. This is true, children. Seals are found in both the Arctic and the Antarctic region. The polar bear is not the largest animal in Antarctica. Okay, polar bear is not the largest animal. The temperature in Antarctica is colder than in the Arctic Circle. This is true. Aurora australis displays are caused due to intense thunderstorms passing over snow-covered land. This is false. Aurora australis displays are not caused due to the intense thunderstorms. The native land fauna in Antarctica is completely invertebrate. This is true. All the fauna over there is completely invertebrate. Coming to Mount Erebus in Antarctica is the southernmost active volcano in the world. This is true. This is the southernmost active volcano. Despite the several living conditions in Antarctica, some tough animals live in and around the cold continent, and we are going to explore about these birds and animals that are found in Antarctica. First one is emperor penguin. You must have seen these penguins somewhere. These are large member of their species and are known for their black and white color. As you can see in this picture also, they have white and black color. They can dive up to 550 meters in water in search of food, and hence the world's deepest living birds. These are the world's deepest living bird. That means they can take a dive of, they can go in the depth till 550 meters in water in search of food. Okay, so the specifications, the main features are they are black and white in color, they can dive up to 550 meters in water and in search of food, and they are the deepest living birds. Remember that the emperor penguins are the birds that are deepest living and which are black and white in color. Next we come to fur seals. Prized for their chestnut color fur, the fur seals are gregarious and vocal animals that feed on fish and other marine animals. The males can weigh up to 300 kilograms and maybe up to 4 times the size of the females. You can see in this picture also, the fur seals are having a special kind of fur. Okay, and these feed on fishes and other marine animals. They feed, they consume, they eat, or they occupy the fishes and other marine animals. These are fur seals. They have the fur on their skin, the ones you are able to see in the picture also. And the important thing is that the males weight up to 300 kgs, which is 4 times that of the females. Next we come to albatrosses. These are the most spectacular gliders among all birds and can stay aloft in windy weather for hours without ever flapping their long wings. They have a wingspan of 11 feet, which is the longest for any bird. You can see the bird without their wings open in the first picture that I have pasted, and in the second picture you can see the wings and the length of the wing is almost 11 feet, which is longest for any bird. So albatrosses are birds which are most spectacular gliders. Gliders means which take a flight. Okay, and they can stay aloft in windy weather for hours without ever flapping their long wings. Next is krills. Krills play an important role in the marine food chain in the Antarctic waters. They are the main prey for penguins, whales, and fishes in the region. They are also called light shrimp because they emit light from some of their organs. The one you're able to see in the picture, you can see some light coming out of this, fine, because it's having some organs which emit light. Okay, so the name of this is krills. Krills, they are important because they are prey. Penguins, whales, fishes, etc. consume them, eat them. Okay, so they are basically prey for such marine animals, and also they are called light shrimps. They are known as light shrimps because they emit light from some of their organs. They have the organs that emit light through them, as you can see in picture also. Next we have seed pills. These are named for the rough horny sheath around the base of the bill protecting the nostril. They have a sheath around the base of the bill which protects their nostrils. You can see around their beak also, beneath their beak. They are found around the borders of the Antarctic. Next important point is that they are found around the borders of the Antarctic and are the only birds there without webbed feet. They don't have the webbed feet. So seed bills, these are known for their rough horny sheath around the base bill. They have rough horny sheath around the base bill, and which helps them to protect their nostrils. So you have to remember this point. Next point is they are basically found on the borders of the Antarctic region. Okay, on the borders of the Antarctic region. Next, coming to orca. These are in a way the largest species in the dolphin family. These are known as killer whale. Killer whale, and these are largest species in the dolphin family. So they kill, as the name says, the killer whale. They are the largest species in the dolphin family, and they move in pods for 40 individual and hunt in groups. You must have seen many fishes diving at the same time. They usually move in group, or they dive in group, and they go and hunt in group, as they tell us that they are killer whales. They dive in groups and kill the marine animals and eat them. They feed on seals and even whales. They communicate through a large range of sounds. They communicate through sound. Okay, thank you. Go through the whole video once again. If you have any doubt, just mention